Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. Today we don't carry another ogbonge come again. Who we want to talk about today? Today na about Shane Francis and Ebony. My people, everywhere they catch fire for their matter. They don't set social media. They set social media. They don't set social media on fire. Where we want hide go, not my people. Today, I think now yesterday, Shine and Ebony they use post the saga themselves. Now no na as big babe now as big babe, they not just want comment, they exchange word, they can't use post as they write up the saga themselves. Ebony can't drop one post. Shine first drop post. Shine say 39 years old single girl calling married. Please, I should take right hand as how I'll take put the post. Mona see the post. Calling married 43 old cargo. I beg go my people, no me right hand. I should take right hand. I'll take carry and comment. Old cargo. Who be the oldest now? Okay, she can't still drop again. Can't say Ewu Gambia. Ewu Gambia, go and do the needful because there is still time for everything. So she be done run delete time. No say our sharp baba when sabi. He don't carry the post. So, my people, let's go to the comment section. Ebony still drop her own. So, we'll first go and Shine comment section. Comment when people drop for this post when Shine drop. So, before Shine comment, they write all these things. She cry comment. She can say something happened. One of her colleague say, he said record, something like that. Say record. Say, the record can't leak. Now people they talk for the comment section say how the record say leak. When you get your friend's record, if you not leak that record, how you go tell leak? If not be you leak that record, who can't leak the record? Like me now, I get friend, for example, I get friend that my friend is send record for me. If I keep that record as in that audio for my phone, nobody go see am. Now me still share the audio. Now go make people see am. Before this write-up can start, now make me dey explain that one. So before write-up start, now wetin fair happen. Say now one of her colleague, one of her friends, she come dey say friend. She talk many things about friend. Say that friend now ain't leak the record come out. I believe say Bonnie can write. Now she can still write all this one. So my people, more go our comment section and not be the person where they feel explain. So more go comment section of this one. So my people, before we go comment section, please, if you know say never subscribe, please subscribe to support me on your notification bell in case whenever I post a video, when I'll see the video. More go share comment section. So the first commenter can say this one weak me emoji of love. The second person can say I think Shane Francis is not happy with her marriage. So the next person can say Tiwa is 42. Please, how old is Sandra? Is she married? Because why people can't they talk this thing now? Shine can't they say may Ebony go marry? Ebony not get boyfriend. Ebony not do this one. Say may Ebony don't go marry. It's better say you not marry. Say marriage not be small pikin thing. Marry people where they marry, they try to come out of that marry. Not be everybody when marry, not be they happy. Marry not be small pikin thing. So if you never marry, you better be single than say you go marry. You can't they depressed for inside. You can't they think they cry all the time. I better remain single than one yeye person. When he say he be man, e go come the useless person. So because most people, why they explain this thing, most people marry, they are not happy. She not they let them talk and come out, say I'm not happy. They are mad, they show them pepper. Some people are happy. That one they get luck. What about the one when not can't get luck? When it can't be they unlucky? Wait till that one will come talk. So let's take our next comment. This one gonna say, shine, now depression make you marry that your junkie husband. My dear, my sister, not be Ebony cousin. Another one can say, marry not be by force. Yes, marry not be by force. If marry not let person stay, you can still come out. Not be do or die something. I must marry. No, not be I must marry. If the marry not good, you not let you stay. Just come out. Tell the man say you don't want again. If people laugh, they laugh. Now their mouth they tell laugh. You better say they laugh person than say they go cry person. So our next commenter can say nobody go marry public toilet again. Which one can be public toilet again? This my people, eh? Commenter, the fear of commenters. The fear of commenter. Be what they call now. So the next person can say, shine, you they complain, my dear. No, it say country. Shine, you the country yourself join married women. Maybe she won't say you they can't yourself join married women. Go sleep. Okay. Our next commenter can say, Mona not tell Shine, make Shine go sleep, because when Shine come and she explains, she's happy with her husband, she's happy with her marriage. Just the way she explain, say she dey happy, her husband they take care of her well, many things when she talk. So you never can tell, say she dey enjoy the marriage. So the next person can say, this your bad character, this your bad behavior now make this your bad behavior now make Baba Wahala not accept that little daughter from you. So focus on your mad husband. Hey, my people, these our people, and they are mad. They are mad. So our next commenter can say, no, it was from Nigeria to France, then after to London. I know him. He used to sleep under the step that year before the Nigeria woman come carry him. His name is Pasolo. Our commenters now funny share. This one say at 39 still single, not be juju be that, not be juju. You can even be 50. Now when they Nigeria, now we Nigeria, now we they take marriage, say if I not married, now die. Now we they take marriage as one big thing. Or you not take marriage as anything. If you feel like say you won't marry, you marry. If you feel like say you never won't marry, you can remain single. Now if person be single mother now, una go laugh. If person marry, say can't divorce, una go laugh. Now they take this thing very big. Oibo they think very far. Then they think good. They don't they take marriage, all these things like one big thing. If person no born pikin now still they laugh. If person marry, say no born pikin now still they laugh. Oibo they marry pikin, they no born pikin. Both of them go agree, say we not need pikin. Then they stay like that. Nobody they laugh there. Dog go be their pikin. So they carry dog up and down. Nobody go they jag them, they laugh them. But we Nigeria, we carry this marriage. We carry pikin. And so our Nigeria people go born thousands when they know if you take care of. We carry pikin. Yes, it's good to have a child. If you wish to, Not be waiting they'll come they mock you when go make you go have a child. Even marriage is also like that. If you wish to marry, you fit still marry. Not be waiting person go push you to do. Marriage not be by force. Not be waiting that they push person. If you push person, say, hey, your mate don't marry, you never marry. We will go enter wrong hand when we not suppose. I beg, more than know they yap person again, they laugh person, say person never marry. I beg you, my people. Now Nigeria, they carry this marriage of 18 like one big heavy load for their head. You not marry na war. You marry, you never born na war. Even most of us when they abroad, when they see Oyibo life, they go even marry after many years. They don't care to have children. They'll tell you, say, children are stress. They don't want them. Dog, maybe that they are picking. But we Nigerians, maybe person can't use dog as a picky for Nigeria now. Or he can't marry for 4 years or 5 years, he never born. Una will just carry the issue like say tomorrow, not day. Now, well, my people, more try, more change, eh? Marriage not be achievement. Marriage not be achievement at all. Marriage not be achievement. So, more go Ebony post when she drop. More see waiting she drop for there. We don't finish for Sean Francis. Oh, let's go to Ebony's. Now, Ebony can't drop this post. She can't say married woman when no fit care for one pikin. Emoji of laugh. Now me and you for this social media. I keep you quiet for 3 years. You no mind your business. I'm here to answer you now. She can still drop another one again. Say she can still drop another one. She can say if you are happy and comfortable in your marriage, you will not have time to contribute she said time to contribute nuisance on social media. So my people, more go the comment section. We'll see waiting people drop for the comment section. The first commenter can say, without being told, who see shine go no say she not dey comfortable for her husband's house. So person can reply her say, Baba Wahala still dey her eyes, Joe. Baba Wahala don't suffer for this social media. That man they know if he come up for social media. He don't too suffer. So our next commenter can say better pass spekus when all old people they just learn. From Benin to Asaba, from Asaba to Abuja, and from Abuja to UK, yet no boyfriend. Spekus has turned to water public toilet. My person, you where they talk this word. If they say make they check you out now worse pass. I know say you they refer to Ebony. Una where they hide for comment section they talk now worse pass. Now worse pass. She not sample her boyfriend for social media. No me say she not get boyfriend. Maybe she no want sample her boyfriend for social media. Una don't ever see Destiny Etiko boyfriend for social media. She don't ever bring her boyfriend come and say, this is my boyfriend. So if una they talk as local people wanna be. Ebony don't do movie with those people. She don't still do with their Destiny Etiko. So she's supposed to they behave mature. You show your boyfriend for social media, not change and say now your boyfriend or you no go cheat. I don't know if I dey make sense. I don't know if una dey understand me. Must you show your boyfriend? Must the world know your boyfriend? If she choose to dey hide, they do her guy. If she choose to dey hide, they do mugele. Na her life. Na her life. Mo na leave her alone. E go Asaba. Na poweration. E from Asaba go Abuja. Who no get level no go waka like that. Most of una self when they drop this comment, una they wish to be her, una they wish to be in her position. Mo no they lie again, mo no they rake again, they a backing according to Benin people. So let's take our next comment. This our next person when reply this person, he say you don't test the bekus. I don't want call the name because of with this social media. He say you don't test the bekus. So our next person can reply say she's single better than you with a junkie husband. A Nigerian lady in Italy. But not me go read this one. No. We knew. We knew, my people. God bless you, my amazing people. We don't finish today. Oh, Shine Francis, wait till I get to talk for this one matter. Shine Francis, if you know, say you still like Ebony, she was your friend. Una be paddy. No, senior not be anything. Person if you make friend with his senior. If you know, say you still like Ebony, this one that they exchange word every time. I want do saga, I want talk on a secret. If you know, say you still like Ebony, you still want her as your friend. Married woman say they keep friend. If you want her as a friend, settle with her and Ebony too. If you need Shine Francis as your friend, please make peace with her. I don't know whether una dey hide one guy before one dey single. When she dey single, I don't know. Una no wan rest for the matter. Fight year and year. Shine Francis, now you say you get somebody voice record. The voice record leak. How the voice record take leak? If not be you, when show your friend the voice record. Have been Ebony leak the voice record. Mona let us know. Mona know they put us for dark again. If na Ebony leak the voice record, may you still let us know. Not be say una go dey base for social media every time. Una when people supposed to they look out to. Now una call they misbehave for social media. Ebony, I beg people to respect you. May not they answer these people again. Not they answer again. You they keep quiet. Not me say you don't know anything you they do. Person they keep quiet. Not me say the person a fool. Shine Francis, before I see you as a responsible woman, that time when you come out for Ebony, for Baba Wahala, you can't they cry. I feel sorry for you. All the old bloggers, all the old presenters, most of them they fight for you. Please. All this word when I come they exchange on herself now. That dirty girl when even they say now she go they raise all this issue. No be she now. Be now she they poison your mind. I be now she they poison your mind. I don't know. Shey Francis, I beg people they respect you. Even though no be people, me I like you personally. I like you on my own because you never come on social media they misbehave. I just surprised this year. You just change. They talk bra. Wetin Ebony do you? Wetin Ebony do you? Now be friends before. Two people feel be friends. Like if the friendship tire now leave each other. Quarrel no go dey, fight no go dey. Now the fight, friends when say I no need friend again, now be the fight when presenter get it today, when not they finish. I no need friend again. This one say I no need again. Fight not finish for social media. Ebony, she was your friend. Ebony too, you too na Shine Francis friend before. Wetin can cause this quarrel? As they talk, you don't help her, you don't keep some secret. Maybe she go don't still help you too. Friends na do for me, I do for you. You go don't help you, you go don't help her. Since una no want to na self again, mona live una self. Me a girlfriend. If you do wetin I not like, I go avoid you. That is me. No need for me to go the right. People they like that too. If you say you don't want them again, they write parable words. Friends they like that. But this una be big girl, big girl. People when they look out to, like, I want to be like this, I want to be like her. Una call the misyan for social media. This one a share. This one a share. My people, me I live una for year. God bless una. God bless you, my amazing people, my wonderful people, my suburban people. I don't think Mrs. Yobosa will do. Feel like say I know they go a platform again. Me I don't go the thief for award. My gallant people, God bless you. Please, my amazing people, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Commenters Analyzer TV. Please, let's take this channel to another level. I know we can do it. Yes, I know we can do it. God bless you. I love you all from Commenters Analyzer TV.